Hi, my name's Chris. I work at Mercedes-Benz of Easton. Efficiency's gone up. I can really appreciate Mercedes-Benz of Easton sending me up here to get this refresher course and, just the different techniques, like, working with different people from different places, seeing different things, different vehicles, and then just how each and every person goes about, their day-to-day. And yeah, it's been great. Definitely recommend that to just about everybody with the different classes that are up here. Like right now, there's a service writer class going on. That might even be something that techs could go through just to kind of see both sides of the fence, what they go through on their day-to-day, what we go through on our day-to-day, and just more tools for the toolbox. Neil, Daniel, thanks for sending me up here. It's been great. It's been a nice little vacation. The weather's crappy up here in Cleveland, but that's okay. But no.
I love that you said Cleveland's a vacation spot.
Yeah, it's so awesome. Just snowed here like 2 days ago, but no, it's been great. It's been a great experience. You can tell that Matrix Trade Institute is definitely a good place to be, a good school to go through with the instructors and their experience and their knowledge. It's just been awesome. So thanks.